The Nifty is attempting to make some kind of a bounce back since yesterday. A lot of it because of the global news flow around Donald Trump coming in. Will he do something, not do something? But the main reason our market was falling was really not only the US dollar or bond yields, it was actually slowing down of growth in the Indian economy and the earnings trajectory. Now for the January month, this quarter, we're actually seeing mixed earnings, more negative than positive. So that negativity is still there till we get into the budget for 2025. Having said that, there are going to be some resistances that the Nifty will face. I think probably around 23,450 up to 23,500. That's the resistance zone. One of those levels will probably see selling pressure show up once again is what I think. I don't think we have a trend reversal yet till we really go beyond these numbers. And that puts us into the next thought process. Is the global news flow and markets really going to impact us in the next couple of days? Now you have to have heard what Donald Trump said overnight. He was very clear about what the tariffs are all about. There's going to be a committee that's going to put tariffs so that they can get revenue. So he likes to use the word tariff because he wants the dollar to be strong. But really what he's doing is he's putting import duties, which is a revenue collection mechanism just like we have in India. And he's going to be a little more aggressive with nations that have a lot of import duties like China, India and a couple of others. So that is another stance that he has. But the main purpose is revenue collection. Except in some places he may use it to negotiate. Like for example, his whole deal over TikTok, which he's been trying to negotiate, he said if that doesn't go through, we don't mind considering huge tariffs against China. But they are not immediate, so it's really a negotiation tactic at that front. But there will be an overall increase in tariffs in US for whatever they are importing, and there's a committee that's going to decide on that, and it's going to be meant for revenue collection. So that's the main thing, which is why bond yields dropped off, thinking, okay, maybe this is good for our borrowing programs reducing a bit. But does that really change what is happening in the dollar and bond markets? They've seen a nice pullback, but I don't think there's a trend reversal anywhere. So I think it's a little early to start, saying that, okay, the worst is over. And that's, I think, the main point over here, that there are going to be some measures in that direction, but it doesn't change the trends in what has been the concern area, which is a strong dollar and rising bond yields. And unless we see that change, we can't really wish away the macro risks that come with it. So that's, I think, the global scenario. He's already said what he wants. And in India, we are going to be watching how we react again to the earnings and then the budget that is going to come up, and wait for a clear trend reversal. I think it's a bit early to call it a day. Short term, we are at an overbought reading.